So, just for the sake of it,
Yeah.
I was listening, but can you repeat what I'm doing?
So you are defending. So basically there is 3 dynamite bombs located upstairs. The oranges are attacking. They're trying to get the bombs back to their respawn. You're trying to hold them off. Because basically we do it in reverse, and whatever team is in the fastest time will win. You have unlimited lives. If you get shot, you must go back to your respawn, but all the bombs are upstairs.
You've practiced that?
No. I'm on repeat. I need to record it.
Hello, ghost.
Oh, geezer. Googly eyes.
Oh, googly eye geezer. Shit. They can come up anywhere.
Come on.
Both ends now, yeah.
Oh, shit.
They can come up both ends. Hello.
My entire team's downstairs. They don't know where the bombs are.
It's a good job we do.
Yeah.
Did you just say keep your bomb?
Yeah, I don't want to.
Oh, that's the best action ever. Ah, shit! Oh, you prick! Ah, where's the fucking spawn? I don't know where the spawn is either. I don't fucking know. Ow!
They actually told us.
No, they didn't. Amanda! Ow! A cock shot! Oh! Dead player! Where's the fucking spawn?
Yeah. Why we could go downstairs.
I think we might as well, yeah. Amanda! Is it one life or unlimited? Oh, go on in.
I thought we only had one life.
I think they've got the bombs.
I suppose you said they had one life, that's all.
Saw the orange band and I froze. I shit you not. Honestly, I was like,
I thought you were going to get me.
can't
You
believe.
thought you were orange, didn't
Yeah, I did.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, shit! Oh, one's enough. Here. Ah, swats. Oi, oi. Oh. Ow. Oh, he shot me in the dick and fucking Brendan shot him in the dick. Oh. Oh. Sorry, I'm just holding 2 kilograms here, it's fine. Dead player. Oh. Oh, electric blowback. I had one of those, it blew up. Shit, I can't say fuck all.
Right, literally, you haven't got one bomb yet, and it's 4 minutes and 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Spec license clear now.
No, fuck off. No, fuck off. Fuck off. Knife. Oh, lovely. Ow, shit! Ah! Yeah. And you flipping moved them. Fucking hell. Ah, shit!